Hello students, today we will discuss combination of capacitances in parallel. Let three capacitors of capacitances C1, C2 and C3 are connected in parallel across a potential source of potential V. In parallel combination, the potential difference between the plates of each capacitor is same. However, the total charge Q supplied by the source is divided on the three capacitors in direct proportion to their capacitances. Thus, if Q1 is the charge on capacitor of capacitance C1, Q2 is the charge on capacitance of capacitance C2, Q3 is the charge on capacitor of capacitance C3, then the sum of the charge Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to total charge Q supplied by the source. Higher is the capacitance of a capacitor, higher is the charge accumulated on its plates. On the other hand, lower is the capacitance of a capacitor, lower is the charge accumulated on its plate when raised to the same potential difference V. Thus, when two capacitors of capacitances C1 and C2 are connected in parallel such that C1 is greater than C2, then the charge accumulated on capacitor of capacitance C1, which is Q1, is greater than the charge accumulated on capacitor of capacitance C2. The equivalent capacitance in parallel combination is given by C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. The charge Q1 accumulated on plates of capacitor with capacitance C1 is given by Q1 is equal to C1 upon C equivalent into Q. Similarly, the charge Q2 accumulated on capacitor with capacitance C2 is given by Q2 equal to C2 upon C equivalent into Q. The charge Q3 accumulated on the plates of capacitor with capacitance C3 is given by Q3 equal to C3 upon C equivalent into Q. Thus, to determine the magnitude of charge on the plates of a capacitor, we divide its capacitance with the equivalent capacitance in parallel combination, which is the sum of the capacitances of all the capacitors connected in parallel, and that ratio is multiplied by the total charge Q, which is supplied by the source to all the capacitors connected in parallel. Let us consider an example on parallel combination of capacitances. This is question number 31 asked in UPSEE examination 2017. In steady state, charge on 3 microfarad capacitor is in the following figure. So in this question, we are provided two capacitors which are connected in parallel across a potential source of potential 18 volt. Because this end is earth, so the potential at this end is 0 volt. So the potential across the entire circuit is 18 volt. Now in parallel combination, the equivalent capacitance is given by C equivalent equal to 3 microfarad plus 6 microfarad, which is the sum of these two capacitances, is equal to 9 microfarad. Now to determine the magnitude of charge on the capacitor of 3 microfarad, we divide the capacitance of 3 microfarad with the equivalent capacitance and the ratio so obtained is multiplied with the total charge which is accumulated on the plates of both the capacitors. Now the total charge is not known to us. So we can determine the total charge from the equation total charge is equal to equivalent capacitance multiplied by the potential. So equivalent capacitance is 9 multiplied by 18 volt is the potential. So we get 9 into 18, that is 162 microcoulomb charge. This is the total charge supplied by the source to both the capacitors. So the charge accumulated on capacitor of capacitance 3 microfarad is given by Q is equal to total charge, which is 162 multiplied by the capacitance of 3 microfarad capacitor, which is 3, upon equivalent capacitance, which is 9. So we get 54 microcoulomb as the answer.